Dreaming of a tropical escape? Moorea, with its stunning beaches and lush forests, beckons. But before you pack your bags, you're probably wondering about the journey. Let's dive into the flight details and tips for planning your trip to this French Polynesian paradise. Flight duration to Moorea varies. From Los Angeles, it's roughly an 8-hour journey, including a layover in TAHITI. New Yorkers can expect an 11-hour flight with a potential day-long layover. Sydney-siders are looking at about 5 hours to Papeete, while Londoners face a 24-hour trek. Layovers can be a few hours to a full day, so plan accordingly. Several carriers, including Air Tahiti Nui, Air France, and Air New Zealand, service Moorea. Air Tahiti Nui, the flag carrier, offers frequent flights from key cities and direct options from places like London. When choosing your airline, consider flight frequency and layover times to align with your travel goals. Most routes to Moorea involve layovers, often in Papeete or Los Angeles. These can range from a brief pause to a day-long hiatus. Layovers are perfect for exploring a new locale, but remember to factor in accommodation and activity costs. Some airlines offer stopover packages for added convenience, and don't forget to check visa requirements for layover countries. Flight costs to Moorea swing widely. Expect to pay around $1,200 from Los Angeles and $1,500 from New York City for a round trip. Prices soar during peak season from June to September. For budget-friendly options, consider traveling during off-peak times. For the best deals, book early to snag airline discounts. Stay flexible with your dates to potentially lower fares. Keep an eye on airline newsletters and social media for exclusive promotions. Fare comparison websites can also help unearth the cheapest flights. Remember to account for extra fees like baggage and seat selection when budgeting. In summary, a well-planned journey to Moorea can lead to an unforgettable tropical adventure. With the right preparation, you'll find a flight that fits both your schedule and your wallet. Happy travels! Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.